Pony AI is nearing profitability after overcoming a significant cost challenge, according to its chief technology officer. The reduction in cost brings Pony AI closer to achieving single-unit break-even, a point at which the company makes a profit each time a new robotaxi is added to its fleet. This development is believed to be a key step towards the commercialization of autonomous vehicles, particularly after the recent announcement of their 7th-generation robotaxi lineup, with planned mass production starting mid-2025, and a strategic partnership with Tencent Cloud to advance autonomous driving technology and expedite the commercial deployment of robotaxi services. The collaboration aims to enhance Pony's robotaxi services by integrating them into Tencent's Weixin mobility services platform and Tencent Maps, as well as drive innovation in operational models, product features, and in-car entertainment systems to improve the user experience. Further excitement came from the announcement of collaborations with Toyota, BAIC, and GAC in developing the new models, featuring a 100% automotive-grade ADK, a 70% reduction in costs, and a modular platform architecture for easy adaptation across different vehicle models. Pony's robotaxi fleet also exceeded over 500,000 hours of real-world, fully autonomous operation, demonstrating a reported 10-fold improvement in safety compared to human drivers. Plug Power secured a new loan of up to $525 million, increasing its cash position and providing more financial support for operations and future growth plans. Plug then reported strong early sales for Q1 2025, beating Wall Street's estimates, with projected Q1 2025 revenue at around $130 to $134 million. Looking ahead, the company forecasts second quarter 2025 revenue between $140 to $180 million. Plug also finished building a 15 TPD, tons per day, hydrogen production plant in St. Gabriel, Louisiana, as part of its joint venture with Olin Corporation. The facility will supply anchor customers Amazon and Walmart. Plug has also implemented cost-saving measures to deliver over $200 million in incremental annualized savings by Q1 2025, including organizational changes and a focus on manufacturing efficiency. These measures are expected to further help the company move towards profitability. At the United Arab Emirates Ministry of Health and Prevention, they approved Biomerica's Fortel kidney disease test for sale, allowing its distribution in the UAE where there is a high incidence of chronic kidney disease, CKD. The test delivers results within 10 minutes from a urine sample, detecting small levels of microalbumin to identify CKD early on. Regular testing is especially important for those with hypertension, diabetes, obesity, or who are over 65 years old. Early diagnosis can prevent the progression of CKD to end-stage renal disease and reduce morbidity and mortality, as well as economic impact. Biomerica has also secured approval from the UAE Ministry of Health and Prevention for its Fortel prostate-specific antigen screening test used in early identification of prostate cancer. Biomerica also secured regulatory approval from the United Arab Emirates Ministry of Health and Prevention for its Fortel ulcer test, which detects Helicobacter pylori, H. pylori infection that causes peptic ulcer disease, dyspepsia, and gastric cancer. The test will allow healthcare providers in the UAE to carry out quick and accessible testing for the condition, with local studies estimating H. pylori infection rates to be over 50% among certain age and ethnic groups. Globally, gastric cancer is the third most deadly form of cancer, with around 80% of cases attributed to H. pylori infection. Biomerica aims to collaborate with UAE-based distributors and healthcare providers to make the test available throughout the country, as part of their commitment towards delivering affordable diagnostic tools that improve patient outcomes through early disease detection. Then, Bright Minds Biosciences is hosting a virtual R&D Day on May 20, 2025, focused on absent seizures and the unmet need for epilepsy patients. The event will feature presentations from key opinion leaders in epilepsy research, as well as an overview of the company's Phase 2 clinical trial evaluating the safety, tolerability, and efficacy of BMB-101 in adult patients with classic absence epilepsy and developmental and epileptic encephalopathy, DEE. Attendees can ask questions at the end of the program. Next to California, where Faraday Future received backing from local politicians for its bridge strategy and its FX brand. The support comes after the appointment of founder YT Jia as co-CEO of FF. Former Speaker of the House for California, Anthony Rendon, and Hanford Mayor Lou Martinez both offered congratulations to Jia and expressed their support for FF's efforts in developing next-generation AI electric vehicles. On to SERV Robotics. It'll report its 2025 first quarter financial results on Thursday, May 8, 2025, after market close. The company will host a conference call and webcast to review the results on the same day at 5 p.m. ET. Workhorse successfully completed a 2,400-mile drive from Cincinnati to Anaheim in its W56 electric step van. The vehicle demonstrated consistent performance through challenging weather conditions and terrain, achieving 27 miles per gallon of gasoline equivalent (MPGE) at highway speeds, nearly 3 times the efficiency of comparable internal combustion engine ICE step vans. The W56 also averaged 53% lower fuel costs compared to ICE, with 40% lower scheduled maintenance costs over 5 years. The journey was part of a series of real-world tests by Workhorse to demonstrate the readiness of its vehicles for commercial deployment. Clean Energy Technologies, CETV, partnered with Sagacity, resulting in $400,000 in sales of CETY's magnetic bearing organic Rankine cycle, ORC, heat recovery solutions. This agreement is expected to accelerate the development of an advanced 350-kilowatt magnetic bearing ORC system designed for large-scale clean energy generation applications. The new system will support opportunities for clean energy deployment across industries such as biomass, oil and gas, data centers, and small to mid-size power plants. For more on other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.